Just in, absolutely beautiful, beautiful example, direct from the last owner. Gorgeous Mercedes Benz GLC 250 Premium. 2-litre petrol, 210 brake horsepower, 9-speed automatic. Of course, 4MATIC, 4-wheel drive. Beautiful example, Obsidian black metallic, with black Artico leather. September 2018 on a 68 plate. Great value for money. Very popular, these. Great spec with the premium. It's got the panoramic roof. Let's take you all the way around here to give you a close-up and show you how nice this car is. As I mentioned, it's a gorgeous example all the way around. Really has been very well looked after, very well cherished. 2-litre petrol, 4MATIC, electric tailgate. Great size boot, lovely and clean. It's got a protector there on the boot. Folding rear seats. Of course, got the luggage cover there. All the carpet under the protector, all lovely and clean. Lots of storage under there. The compressor, the toolkit, all there complete. Again, just look at the stuff you could just put under there. Tons of space. All the loading area, nice and clean. Not been knocked about, not been bashed about. Reverse parking sensors, reverse camera. Of course, electric tailgate, as I mentioned. Got rear privacy glass, chrome roof rails. Bodywork is absolutely gorgeous. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. This is almost how the car came in. We've done no refurbishment to it. This is how we like to buy cars. Nice cars, as we say. All the wheels are in fabulous condition. No damage, no big chunks knocked out of those. Good tyres all the way around, plenty of tread on those. Close up with the near side front wheel. Again, no damage on that. All in fabulous condition. Again, good tyres. Front parking sensors. Close up across the front. All lovely and clean, no damage. Nice and clean, again across the front. Odd tiny stone chip. Nothing at all that's worth mentioning as such. Again, all across the front. No damage. The chrome just adds stuff very nicely. Driver's wheel again. All undamaged. Great condition. Plus for the tyre, again all down the sides. And this is why we do the video, so you are walking around with your hands and knees like I am, so I can show you every single part of the car to show you no nasty surprises when you buy cars off us. We'll go that extra way to make sure you know exactly what the car's like, sitting at the comfort of your armchair. And many customers buy cars unseen because of our videos, our pictures, our reviews. Again, got the black ash trim. The car's got roughly around £2,500 worth of factory options. Very spacious in there, lots of leg room in there, plenty of space. Black Artico leather, all in great condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Of course, a panoramic roof just sets it off nicely. Driver's door trim, all in great condition again. Electric seats, heated seats, All absolutely beautiful, beautiful condition. All the interior there, all the leather, the sport seats, all in fabulous condition. Leather multifunction steering wheel, keyless start. All the passenger side, again, no damage to the dashboard, the interior trim, all as it should be. 54,447 is the mileage. Great sound system, as you can hear. Well, with this Mercedes you can go your own way. Great track there. Nice clear screen there. Of course, you've got the menu being controlled from there. So radio stations, everything all on there. Navigation. Zoom in. Reverse camera. Media input. Phone connection. All the vehicle information. Vehicle settings. Configure how you want it, so you want comfort, sport, etc. all on there. Various modes. Sport Plus. Just all very, very easy to scroll through. Again, it shows on the dashboard in front of you. Got another menu on there. Scroll through that as well. Also so simple, easy. Volume control, phone connection. Please speak a command. Navigation. Voice activation on the vehicle. Cruise control, speed limiter. Paddle shift gear change. Folding mirrors. Cancel. Of course, the tilt and slide sunroof. One touch. Slide it back. You stop it halfway through. Storage, USB aux input. Nice bit of storage there. As I mentioned, the other menus all controlled from there as well. Cup holders in there. And of course the nice black ash trim there, just sets it off nicely. Heated seats there, reposition, and of course the electric seat adjustment. You're going to get it just perfect on that. Very, very straightforward. Nice layout, all in absolutely beautiful, beautiful condition all the way around. It is gorgeous. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Check out our online finance calculator, low deposit, low monthly payments. We welcome part exchange. Just give us an accurate description. We'll happily give you a price with all the details. Ideally, go onto our website and go to the Sell My Car page, put your details in there, and we'll come back with an accurate price for your vehicle. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full details how that operates. Additional charges do apply for home delivery, but we can give you the best quote we can to get it delivered to your doorstep if you don't want to travel to Stoke-on-Trent. Specialist cars, established since 1997. 28 years, we make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Remember our full money-back guarantee. If you click and reserve and come and view the car, and you feel it's not as described, we'll happily refund your deposit, no questions asked. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.